Hello, friends. We meet again. Let's do the 23rd chapter of this book, which is composition. Now, see here, it's written making sentence. Look at the pictures and read the word groups. Write 5 sentences based on these cues. You can see the picture here. There are two children. This is mother. Okay. So, what one first sentence we can write? Mother goes to work in the car. See here, it is written mother goes to work. So, we have to elaborate this sentence. The first one would be, I will write over here, see. First will be mother goes to work in the car. Mother goes to work in the car. Okay. The second one would be, these two children, they are cleaning the house. Ali and Alia. So what we will write, Ali and Alia clean the house. Ali and Alia clean the house. Why we have written clean and not cleans? Because Ali and Alia is a plural noun. Okay, these both are plural. Now the third one would be bake a cake. So what we can write for that? They bake a delicious cake. They bake a delicious cake. Okay. Fourth one would be mother returns home in the evening. Mother returns home in the evening. Okay, and the fifth one would be she feels happy. Happy and surprised is there, no? So she feels happy and surprised to see the clean house. To see the clean house and the cake. Okay. Now let's see the B part. It is a sorry note. What is written? You have done something wrong and you feel bad about it. So complete this sorry note. Okay. The sorry note we can write to mother or teacher or father or any of your friend. Okay. So here we will write a sorry note to a mother. Dear, M will be capital. Dear mother, comma. I am sorry for is there, for breaking your VSE vase. A flower vase, okay? I should not have been careless while playing inside the house. Inside the house. Full stop. I promise that next time I will be more careful and play outside. I hope you will forgive me. Your loving son, comma, your name will come. I am writing Ali. Okay. So this is a sorry note. We can write a sorry note to our teacher also if we have not completed our homework or if we have not studied for the test, etc. Okay. Now come to the C part. It is a postcard. And what is written? Imagine that you have gone to Nainital for a holiday. Complete this postcard for your friend Rasul. You can write about the weather, your stay, some fun activities you did, the food you ate, and so on. So here what we have to write, Nainital, June 22 and 20XX is there, no? So here we will write 2025. Okay, this is the date, or whatever date is you are writing the letter, you have to write that date. Your comma welcome. And my dear Rasul, they have given the name over here, so we'll use this name. I'm enjoying my holidays in Nainital, because they have mentioned no Nainital over here. The weather here is very cool and pleasant. Pleasant. I ate what we will eat in the cool area. We will eat momos. You all love no momos. I ate hot momos, and what we can eat, noodles in the snow. I shall tell you more once I return. Your friend, whatever your name is. I will write Ali over here. See here, you can see the address of Rasul is there. Rasul's surname is Srinivasan. Rasul Srinivasan, 21/B, Rasipuram Road, Namakkal, Tamil Nadu, and the pin code. If you are writing a letter to your friend, you have to write his address over here. Okay? Now let's see the next one. We have to write a short story. Look at the pictures and write a short story about what you think may have happened. Remember to give a title to your story. What we can see over here, there is a cat, there is a fish in the bowl. The cat might be catching the fish. Okay? So we can give the title of the story as, see, I will write it from here, okay? Title, title. This will be the heading. The cat and the clever fish. F capital. Okay, this is the title. And what would have happened over here? You can write a short para story by seeing these pictures, okay? What we can write? A cat saw this is a goldfish. A goldfish in a bowl. Okay. Then what the cat might think? The cat wanted to catch the fish. The cat wanted to catch the fish. Okay. So what she did? She wore goggles and put its paws in the water. We will write it. We won't use she because we don't know whether the cat is a male or a female. Okay, so we will write it wore goggles, 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 and put its one paw shall put in the water. Okay. Then what could have happened? The goldfish swam fast to escape. Okay. Then the cat could not catch it. The fish was safe in the bowl. And what will be the moral of the story? The moral can be, we have to be very smart. We have to think fast to be smart, okay? And to stay safe. So we can write the moral as, be smart to stay safe. Okay. So friends, we end this chapter over here. In fact, we have ended this book. You can share it with your friends and do comment if you have any question and subscribe. Okay. Thank you.